This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockley, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockley can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockley comes in deadbolt, latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockley, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door. Lockley, security redefined.
unlock. Please verify. Successful. 1. Enter user password. Enter again. Enter again. Successful. Enter again. Enter again. Successful. Enter user password. Fingerprint or card. Enter user password. Fingerprint. Enter again. Successful. Initialize successful. Failed. Door unlock.